NAR releases its pending home sales index figure today, and this is for the month of May. And for this month, the index records a fairly substantial drop.
This is the month after the tax credit deadline for contract signings. It plunged, and that's a natural expectation. The consumers are rational and smart. Those people who would have contemplated buying in May or June would have jumped in trying to meet that April deadline, given that there's $8,000 check on the table. So we expected a decline in May, and we saw that.
So what are the numbers showing this month?
From 1 year ago, it is 15% decline, which is, I would say, somewhat manageable, given that we have seen some 20% jumps prior to the deadline expiration. So it is down. This is expected. I anticipate something similar next month in June, but the key test will be what happened later in the second half of the year, whether or not the positive forces of job creation, historically low mortgage rate, will be able to draw buyers back into the market.
Is there any indication that we could be facing a double-dip recession? And what's the impact on the economy at large?
The economic recovery is not robust. It is moderate growth that we are experiencing. Also, the job creation is moderate. So far, from January through May, we have created about 500,000 private sector jobs. These are not census-related jobs, but purely private sector jobs, about 500,000. We need a faster job creation to occur. I don't think the housing market will go into a double dip. Home values by many metrics, NAR data, Case-Shiller price data, government price data, is all showing slight increase from 1 year ago. So despite some temporary swings in sales, the prices are holding on, and therefore I think it will be a good comfort level for many consumers who have been postponing purchases on the fear that prices could decline in a major way. Now, there is no guarantee that prices will not decline, but if there is a decline, I think it will be a modest decline in the low single digits in many markets. But more than anything, I think the price has already bottomed.